Hi everyone, I'm really glad you're here because today we're diving into a tool that's getting a lot of attention in the content creation space. The platform is called Copysmith, and it's designed to help writers, marketers, and e-commerce teams create content faster, smarter, and more efficiently. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of writing on your to-do list, this tool might be worth your time. What makes Copysmith stand out right away is that it isn't just one tool but a collection of different modules tailored to specific needs. Instead of being a one-size-fits-all AI writer, Copysmith offers specialized solutions. That means you can use it for product descriptions, long-form SEO content, or personalized brand messaging depending on what you need most. It feels less generic and more practical. Take Describely, for example. This module was built with e-commerce sellers in mind. Writing hundreds of product descriptions can be exhausting, but Describely automates that in seconds. It doesn't just churn out text, it generates optimized product titles, descriptions, and meta tags ready for search engines. Teams at big retailers have praised it for saving both time and effort, which is exactly what online sellers need to stay competitive. Another part of Copysmith is Frase, which focuses on SEO and research. Normally, creating search-optimized articles requires hours of keyword digging and competitor analysis. With Frase, you type in your keyword and the system produces an outline and draft based on real-time search data. It bridges the gap between technical SEO and creative writing, making it much easier for writers to produce content that ranks without feeling overwhelmed. Then there's Writer, a module that focuses on style and voice. Not everyone wants their content to sound like a robot, and Writer addresses that by learning your preferred writing style. Whether it's drafting emails, ad copy, or blog posts, Writer generates content in your own tone. Users have said it cuts their workload in half because they only need to tweak the output rather than start from scratch. For busy creators, that's a huge advantage. Of course, no tool is perfect, so it's important to mention both the highlights and the drawbacks. On review sites, Copysmith scores solid ratings for ease of use and customer support. People love that it's affordable and versatile. At the same time, some users point out that the navigation can be confusing and the credit system isn't always clear. That's why I recommend testing it out on a short plan before fully committing. Another thing that impressed me is how Copysmith has grown as a company. It's not just a random startup, but a platform built by marketers, copywriters, and AI researchers working together. That explains why the product feels thoughtful in the way it tackles specific problems like SEO, e-commerce, or personal branding. It's a reminder that AI works best when paired with real industry knowledge. The platform is already trusted by millions of users worldwide, which shows it's more than just hype. And I think the reason it's caught on is because it saves so much time. For an e-commerce seller, writing 1,000 product descriptions manually is nearly impossible, but Copysmith makes it doable. For a blogger or marketer, turning a keyword into a draft with SEO built in can be a game changer. Pricing is another factor worth mentioning. Compared to hiring writers, Copysmith comes at a fraction of the cost, especially if you're producing content at scale. For small businesses, startups, or agencies, that's appealing. You can generate blogs, product copy, and ad text without worrying about budget overload. But again, the subscription structure means you'll want to pick the right plan for your output needs. After looking at both the strengths and the weaknesses, I'd say Copysmith works best as a time saver and productivity booster. It won't replace your creativity or strategy, but it will handle the heavy lifting of drafting and scaling. If you're someone who often stares at a blank page or feels buried under deadlines, this tool can make a noticeable difference. Overall, I think Copysmith strikes a good balance between practicality and innovation. It doesn't try to do everything at once, but the modules it does offer are powerful in their own right. Whether you need SEO research, product descriptions, or writing in your unique voice, it has a focused solution ready for you. That makes it easier to adopt and integrate into your workflow without a steep learning curve. So if you're curious about AI writing tools and want something reliable, I definitely recommend giving Copysmith a try. You can test the different modules and see which one fits your style of work best. Who knows, you might end up saving hours every week and freeing yourself up for bigger creative projects. Thanks a lot for watching this review. If you'd like me to do a deeper dive into one of the modules, like generating real SEO articles with Frase or writing bulk product descriptions with Describely, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with others who might find it helpful. I'll see you in the next video.